subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG is reportedly gearing up to launch its new upcoming phone under W series called LG W31. And before the launch, the smartphone has been spotted on Google Play console listing that shows the first front look of the smartphone, including some key specifications. According to listing, the LG W31 will feature a flat screen with a water drop notch at the top center for selfie camera, and it has a small bezels on the edges followed by thick chin at the bottom. The screen is set to support HD+ resolution with 280 pixel per inch density. The volume rockers along with the power button is placed on the right edge, while the left appears to have dedicated Google Assistant button. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM, and it will run on Android 10 out of the box. Unfortunately, the rear panel of the phone has not revealed, but according to past rumors, it suggests the phone to have triple rear camera setup that will include 13MP primary camera along with the 12MP secondary and 2MP third camera. On the front, it is expected to have a 16MP selfie camera, and it will house 4000 mAh battery. Apart from this, there is no other details of LG W31 has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the LG W31 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.